Before you begin, remove the top cover and battery. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module. A damaged cable or connector can degrade notebook performance. Remove the retention tape that secures the webcam cable to the wireless module. Carefully disconnect the wireless antenna cables from the wireless module by grasping the connectors with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the 2.5 mm P0 Phillips head screw that secures the wireless module to the base enclosure. Grasp the wireless module by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Reverse this procedure to install the wireless module.